You are welcome to Learning and Earning series with Tyro Boost IQ. Today we are going to look at the definition of calculus and what is calculus. We say calculus is a branch of mathematics that deal with differentiation and what? Integration. Or we can say calculus can be defined as a branch of mathematics that deal with what? Differential calculus and what? Integral calculus. From there we are going to look at the definition of differentiation. And what is differentiation? We say differentiation can be defined as the rate of change of what? Dependent variable y over what? Independent variable what? X. And this rate is what we call dy all over dx. In the field of differentiation, we should know that what? The differentiation of a constant value is equals to 0. For now, in the course of what is calculus, we are going to stay here for now. In our next class, we are going to do analysis on how to identify constant value in a function when you are differentiating with respect to x or with respect to any given value. Thanks. If you know that you love this tutorial, subscribe to my channel and give it a like. Thank you until we meet again in the course of learning calculus. Thank you.